Factoring trinomials. We've already gone over this in class, so part of this is going to be a recap. To factor a trinomial of the form above, you must find two integers that multiply to c and add to get b. So factoring is working backwards from multiplying. So I have x squared plus 7x plus 12. I want what multiplies to get 12, adds to get 7. So that would be positive 3 and positive 4. So x plus 3, x plus 4. So what I want you guys to do is check. Just to make sure you're doing it right, I want you to check all of these. So if you use the FOIL method or use the box method, whatever method you like, check. So I will get x squared plus 7x plus 12. I'm only going to do a few of these just so that you guys can get the hang of it. So what number multiplies to get 24, adds to get 10? Did 4 and 6. So go ahead and check. So what I want you guys to do on this page is to complete 4 more problems. And check them. So pick any 4 of these problems on this page and also check them. So I want you to factor it, and then I want you to multiply your factors just to check and make sure you did it correctly. Okay, on the next page, let's look at some of the ones that have, well, let's look at the multi-step factoring. It says, look for a GCF first, then factor the trinomial. So I have 4n squared plus 12n plus 8. What can I divide all 3 numbers by? They are all divisible by 4. So 4 is my GCF. So I'm going to divide out the GCF. I get n squared plus 3n plus 2. So now, what's inside the parentheses I can factor. So I want what multiplies to get 2 but adds to get 3. That's 1 times 2. So I have x plus 1, x plus 2. And I put the GCF on the outside. I just bring down the GCF. And that's my answer. Let's do one more together. So let's look at number 34. So all 3 of these can be divided by 3. So 3 is my GCF. Now what else do they have in common besides 3? They all have an A. So 3a is my GCF. So I'm going to divide by 3a. So 3a cubed divided by 3a equals a squared. Because remember, when you divide, you subtract the exponents. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. 30a squared divided by 3a squared would be 10a. 2 minus 1 will be 1. And you don't have to put the 1. 63a divided by 3a will be 21. Now, since they both have a, I have 1 minus 1 would be 0. So when they cancel out, you don't write the a at all anymore. So now inside the parentheses, I have a squared plus 10a plus 21. That's the part you're going to factor. Well, multiplies to get 21, adds to get 10. 7 and 3. So my factors will be x plus 7, x plus 3. And I put my GCF on the outside. So 3a parentheses x plus 7 times x plus 3 will be my answer.